The vintage shop, we developed our version of the table capper. It's a very sturdy, strong unit. You can use it as frequently as you want. It's got holes on the bottom that you can screw to a table to make it super sturdy and static. It works with any size of bottle. You can adjust it to any height that you want. So if you have very small bottles, you can adjust it on its lower position. If you have bigger bottles, you can adjust it to any height. It's got a magnetic cup that helps you hold the crown cap in place. Standard crown caps for standard bottles. The way it works is you adjust it an inch or so over your bottle. You can put the crown cap either on the bottle and press down, or you can use the magnet. Adjust with the trigger and press down to get it sealed. See how easy it is to change from one to the other? It's just a matter of pressing the trigger back and adjust to your height.